Hello everyone! So mounting tubeless tire with tire insert is not easy. Here is how I do it. So first check for tire rotation and align the logos on the rim and tire. Seat one side of the tire. Insert the tire insert and start seating the other side from the valve. Then when it will be tight, use clamp to help you with the seating and continue. Work your way slowly around, moving the clamps tighter and tighter. Now I press the tire insert on the rim, so now the insert is seated. A very important thing is to make sure that the tire is in the middle of the rim where the diameter is smaller, so it's not so tight. And the rest is as a standard tire, so I'm using the tire levers to seat the tire. And that's it, the tire is seated. So thanks for watching. If you have any ideas or questions, feel free to leave the comments below and subscribe if you're not already. That helps me a lot. Ciao!